I think I just have to admit it. I opened up a free Skool community. And before you think this is just another random Discord or Facebook group where nobody does anything, let me show you what's actually inside. Because I built this for one specific type of person. And by the end of this video, you'll know if that's you. Now, before we dive into what this looks like, I've been in crypto for over 8 years. I got scammed, I made mistakes, and I spent years figuring out how hardworking people, not traders or tech guys, can actually build a passive income from this. In fact, my students right now are doing it as we speak, and now I'm giving away the roadmap for free inside of this community. Now, let me show you what you get inside. Community is called DeFi Mastery. I just launched it. There's only 7 people inside of this. It's a very close and tight-knit group. It's just something that we launched. And inside, what we're going to be doing is there's going to be a classroom where I'm going to have like a basic overview course that shows you exactly how this model works, what it all comes down to, and what the steps are to implement it in your life as we speak today. There's even closer testimonials from some of these people I worked with. You can always go to freedomacademy.be/reviews to see some of these people and generally just look at everything we achieved together. These are usually hour-long interviews, but should show you enough depth as to why this makes sense in their lives as we speak. And then there's also, of course, like money magnet for people that are seeking to work closer together. There's also going to be a calendar where I just generally do one-on-one meetings. Well, actually group meetings with the group. This community is free, but it's not for everyone. If you're looking for a quick way out in life, you're stressing about next month's rent, or you want a shortcut, this is not for you. This is not for people that seek the right coin to get rich overnight. Because just so you know, I used to live in this reality where I thought I just needed one coin, I just needed one project, I just needed this one thing. And that couldn't be further away from the truth. In fact, what you need is access to the right knowledge and the right guidance at the right time. So this community, just like I made it here, is for people who are serious about building something that actually lasts, not a one quick way of flipping money and making money. It's generally for people that are sick and tired of always having to spend more time and effort for an income that stops flowing when they stop spending time and effort. Because when I was juggling 2 jobs, I just wanted to find that, and I generally just became the mentor I never had. So if you're the type of person that is willing to spend the weekend and skip Netflix for a community like this, where you're going to get more insights as to how this works, well then this is for you, right? There's simply no risk in scrolling down, going down below this video, and click on the link to join. Now, I want to tell you though, when you click that link, it's going to look somewhere close to this page where there's going to be a button that says join group. When you click that button, there's going to be roughly 2 to 3 questions that I want you to fill out. It's going to allow us to get a better understanding about who you are, why you're looking at a community like this, and if it makes sense, I would potentially invite you to have a more close one-on-one call with myself where I take a look at what you've tried before, what you're looking to achieve, and give you the best possible resources paired with this community. So again, if you want to get access to this community, simply no risk in scrolling down, going down below this video, clicking on the link and joining it as we speak right now. I'm excited to see you on the other side. If there's any questions, you can join those sessions that I'm going to be hosting soon. With that being said, see you on the inside of this new and free community. Talk soon. Oh, and by the way, I forgot one thing. There's going to be a video on screen somewhere right now that I genuinely want you to watch, because I made a free PDF that allows you to get a better understanding about like, hey, how does this model work? What is somewhat the engine behind the success of these people that I've been working with? So if you haven't clicked that video, click it now. It should be somewhere around me. Watch that video. And again, don't get distracted. Click on the link, join the community. See you inside.